This is one of the fastest and easiest ways to create cinematic 3D shots for documentaries, short films, or story videos using nothing but AI. No Blender, no Unreal Engine, no years of animation experience, just a simple text prompt, a few free tools, and I'll walk you through every single step. We'll also learn how to smoothly use the Recast feature to create more cinematic visuals for your creation. Let's jump straight into it. To start strong, we need a solid prompt. Think of your prompt like the script of a movie scene. If the script is confusing, your results will be confusing. If it's clear and detailed, the AI will create something cinematic that you can actually use. To make this easy, we're going to use a custom GPT called Documentary Style 3D Image Generator. It removes the stress of writing long, complicated prompts yourself. All you have to do is go to ChatGPT store and search for Documentary Style 3D Image Generator and click Start Chat. When it opens up, all you do is tell it your basic idea. Don't overthink it, don't overwrite it, just keep it simple. For example, a woman in an orange jumpsuit doing push-ups in a jail cell. Hit enter. You don't have to describe the lighting, camera angle, realism, depth of field, shadows, material, none of that. The GPT might ask you a couple of follow-up questions like, is the gel modern or old? Do you want the scene to feel dramatic or neutral? Is it day or night? And then it transforms all your answers into a masterpiece prompt. It produces paragraphs of cinematic detail. It also gives you optional B-roll prompts, which are perfect if you want extra shots to build a sequence. As you can see, we have the medicine prompt, a high stylized 3D render in a featherless human figure with no facial feature, fully smooth, and the B-roll prompt 1, B-roll prompt 2, all the way down up to B-roll prompt 5. This step alone saves you hours and gives you a result that looks like you hired a 3D artist. Once you have all your master prompt ready, copy it. Now it's time to turn the prompt into an image. The best free tool for this is ImageFX by Google Apps. It uses Imagen 4 model, which is insanely good at 3D style visuals. All you have to do is search for ImageFX, paste your master prompt into the text box, select the aspect ratio, choose the one that best suits what you are creating. Once that is done, we hit create. If you're making YouTube videos, use 16:9. In seconds, you will get 4 different versions of your image. Pick one that looks the most accurate to your story. Pay attention to 3 things: lighting, character pose, and camera position. These matter because we're going to animate these images next. Once you've got the one you like, download it and save it in your PC. Now let's bring that image to life. We're going to use one of the most influential and powerful tools on the market, Higgsfield. Imagine taking a picture and turning it into a full cinematic shot with smooth camera motion, no timeline, no editing skills, nothing complicated. All you have to do is come to Higgsfield. I will leave the link in the description below so that you can easily follow along. Here, what you want to do is select a video. On your left, you will see the control panel, and on your right, you will see the preview window. Now, one thing you must take note of is human faces are not supported. This makes it perfect and easy for us because our character is not human. Once the image is uploaded, click on change to open the camera movement library. You'll see effects like dolly in, dolly out, push left, push right, orbit, tilt up, tilt down, all the classic cinema moves. For this example, let's pick dolly in. It instantly gives you shot that movie intro effect. Once that is done, we need to tell the AI what motion or movement we want inside the picture. This is the secret detail most people miss. Your image shows a frozen moment, but the animation inside the frame adds realism. In the prompt box, type in something simple like, a woman is doing slow push-ups. Once that is done, select the model. I highly recommend you go for Higgsfield Lite. This version uses fewer credits but still looks great. Once that is done, hit create. The AI will start animating your clip. While it's working on that, we will set up a free backup version just in case. Click on model drop down and choose a different model like Clean 2.1. Select the duration to your preferred one. Select the resolution to your preferred one. As you can see, it will consume 10 credits. Just hit create. This gives you a high cinematic shots and it consumes less credits as well. Once the render is done, check out your preview. You now have a full dolly in camera motion with the character subtly animating. Look at the softness of the movement, the lighting, the shadows. It feels like a real scene. So this was the shot generated in dolly out and this was the shot generated in dolly in. Now here is where the workflow gets even more powerful. You can generate different shots and angles of your character and animate them differently to create a story sequence, just like I did in this example. Few images, few animations, suddenly you have a full cinematic scene with emotional storytelling. You can do the same for history channels, crime documentary, AI short films, motivational series, TikTok mini films, YouTube intros, music video visuals, Faceless channels, and because the workflow is simple, anyone can do it. Beginners, students, content creators, even people who never touched a camera. The best part, it's a fraction of the cost of traditional 3D tools, and the results are shockingly good. Now, here is how we can use the Recast feature to create more cinematic visuals for our content creation. The Recast feature lets you take a video of someone, it could be you, an actor, or any clip, and then swap the person in the video with a completely different character. And the cool part is, even after you change the person, the new character will still do the same exact movement, gestures, facial expressions, and timing from the original video. So it still looks real and natural, as if that character was the one who originally recorded it. For example, I have this video of this man doing some push-ups and I want to swap the characters in this video and use this character that I generated to create a cinematic continuation for my documentary series. All I have to do is select the Recast feature, and here I need to upload the reference video. Once the video of a man doing push-ups is uploaded, I click character image to upload the image of my character. And once both the video and the reference character are uploaded, we hit generate video to swap the characters. And after a while of the video generating, we get a results that looks like this. I love how there is no buffing and how it clearly zooms in and maintains the characters' details and consistency. I love how it keeps out the characters' details even after zooming in or transitioning. And to download the video, just hit the download button for it to be saved in your PC. Okay, now let's give it another try. I have this short video of this soldier firing up some rifle, if not mistaken. Then I've got this character, looks like an army as well. Is that a rifle or an AK-47? If you're good with guns, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know about it. All I have to do is hit generate. And after a few minutes of our video being generated, this is exactly what we get. Now, the Recast feature is very handy and useful if, number one, you are a faceless content creator and you do not want to show your real face. This lets you replace yourself with any character of your choice, but keeps your natural movement and expression. Number two, if you want to create multiple versions of one video, instead of recording again and again, you can make a cartoon version, a realistic version, a futuristic version, a version with another character, all from one source original clip. And number three, character-based video and story. If you make storytelling or animation video, the Recast feature helps you turn real acting into character without naturally animating anything. This entire tool is best for turning one recording into many versions with different characters, styles, voices without refilming or animating anything. Before we wrap this up, if you found value in this tutorial, consider subscribing because more value awaits you. If you want to learn more on how to create amazing 3D AI animated videos, check out this tutorial that walks you through step by step. God bless you.